Asana kitchen. So first we'll look at the transition, and it's a very dynamic transition, and you want to take advantage of this device of catching your fingers with your toes. So this is a very important Hatha Yoga mudra, and it can help you every time it's featured in a posture. So you roll over and catch the big toes, and you want a firm grab on them. And then the feeling that you want to create is that you're lengthening the legs to such a degree that it requires the arms to pull back and resist. Okay, and then when you go to roll up, it's interesting, you're kind of rolling back and out and up before going out that way. So you have your setup destination, you catch the toes, and that's the crouch aspect. So it's kind of a coiling of energy, an emptying of the lungs. And then there's the spring, and where's my destination? So you're looking to locate that just on the back edges of the sitting bones, with the legs kicking away and the arms pulling back. There's a few different ways to approach it if you can't make it. So it's a hard move to do. So one way to do it is to, instead of catching your toes, catch lower down your leg. So you could catch your ankle or even your shin. Remember, you're keeping that relationship of kicking away through the legs and pulling with the arms. Here you go. Exhale, set it up with a coil and go. Right. Another way to do it is to take a tie around your feet. Okay, so remember, it's a momentum, it's a rhythm thing. So you're kind of shifting back and crouching as you exhale and then roll. Okay, in both of these variations I've showed you, either catching the shins instead of the toes or using a tie, they both allow you to keep the legs straight when you transition. So another way to do it would be to bend the knees. And if you bend the knees, you want to minimize how much you bend them and also straighten the legs as soon as possible. So you bend the knees and make a crouch, empty the lungs, and then roll. And straighten as soon as possible. Okay, so one last way to work on this transition is to get very close to your toes, but don't actually catch them and roll. Okay, so you're very close, but don't touch, and then up you go. Yes, and then don't quite touch. Okay, so no matter what, if you catch a tie, you catch your shins, you bend your knees, you want to get the rhythm of the roll. So you really getting into the rhythm of going back and forth. And remember, you're crouching as you go back, and then inhale. So it's an exhale, inhale. And what's cool, if you get into the rhythm, it'll just happen magically. You'll just, whoa, one time come all the way up. Okay, and if it doesn't happen magically, then you catch the tie or catch your shins or bend your knees.